So how do you install pygame? Well, it starts by installing Python. And so if you type in install Python or download Python, you're going to get this link to download Python. Now, if you're having a hard time installing pygame, but you've already installed Python, I'm going to suggest you uninstall Python. And so you can get that by Windows key X and installed apps and uninstall it. Okay. And the reason is when so you go to your installation there, once it downloads, go to your download folder and run that program. When you go to install, you want to add Python to the path. That's going to make it easier to install pygame. Admin privileges, sure. Add to Python path. This is important. If you don't do this, installing it's more of a pain. Okay, so installation done. Now you want to go to the command prompt. So that's, if you go Windows key R, bring up this run window here, you type in CMD, it brings you to the command prompt. From the command prompt, you type in pip, that's Python's package installer. Install pygame. Because I just had a fresh install and uninstall it, my stuff's already there. But when you do it, you'll see it downloading stuff. But you can tell it's installed if when you go to idle, right from the shell even, if you import pygame, it pauses for a little bit and it says hello, it's installed correctly.